Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Elena, and I am here to help you improve your English reading skills. Reading in English can sometimes feel difficult. You may come across new words that you do not understand or feel that you read too slowly and lose interest. But do not worry, these problems are very common, and you are not alone. Many English learners experience the same challenges. Today, I want to share with you 10 simple tips to help you read better, understand more, and enjoy the process. These tips are easy to follow and do not require a lot of money or special tools. You can start using them today. As you practice these steps, you will see slow but steady improvement. Remember, learning a new language is a journey. You do not have to be perfect, you just have to keep trying and have fun. Let's begin. Tip 1. Know your level. Before you start, it is very important to know your current English reading level. Why is this important? Because when you know your level, you can choose the right materials for your practice. If you pick a book or an article that is too difficult, you might feel frustrated and want to stop. If you choose something too easy, you will not learn many new words. To find your level, you can take a short online test. Many websites offer simple tests for English reading. They give you a few questions and tell you what level you might be. Another way is to look at the Common European Framework of Reference, CFR, levels, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Read sample texts from these levels and see which one feels right for you. Be honest with yourself. If you are not sure, start with something simple and see if it feels comfortable. The goal is to find a level that challenges you a little, but not too much. Tip 2. Set simple goals. Goals help you stay motivated. When you have a clear goal, you know what you want to achieve. This feeling gives you energy to keep going. But remember, your goals should be simple and realistic. For example, I will read for 10 minutes every day. I will learn 5 new words from my reading each week. These are small goals that you can reach easily. If your goal is too big, like I will read a full English novel in 1 week, you might feel bad if you cannot do it. Instead, start small. You can always make your goals bigger later as you improve. Tip 3. Choose what you like. Reading should not feel like hard work all the time, it can be fun. One of the best ways to enjoy reading is to choose topics that interest you. Do you love football? Read football news in English. Do you enjoy cooking? Find English recipes and try reading them. Do you like adventure or romance stories? Look for short English stories or graded readers at your level. When you read about things you enjoy, you feel more curious and want to know what happens next. This curiosity helps you forget that you are studying, you are simply enjoying a good story or learning something new. Tip 4. Read different materials. It is easy to stay in your comfort zone. If you always read simple news articles, you might never learn other types of words. To improve your English reading skills, try different materials. Newspapers, magazines, blog posts, emails, short stories, poems, product reviews. Each type of text has its own style and vocabulary. By reading different kinds of texts, you will learn new words and get used to different writing styles. Tip 5. Practice every day. Consistency is very important. Imagine that you want to get stronger muscles. If you exercise only once a week, you will improve slowly. But if you exercise a little bit every day, you will get results faster. The same idea works for reading. Reading a lot one day and then not reading for a week is less helpful than reading a small amount every day. Just 10 to 15 minutes of reading per day will make a big difference over time. Tip 6. Understand the big picture first. When you start reading a new text, do not worry if you do not know every word. Focus on understanding the main idea first. Ask yourself, what is the text about? Is it a story about a family or an article about science? If you understand the general topic, you can guess the meaning of new words from context. Tip 7. Write short notes. After you finish reading, write a short summary or take simple notes. If you read a story, write 1 or 2 sentences about what happened. If you read an article, write the main idea and maybe one interesting fact. This habit helps you remember what you read and improves your writing skills at the same time. Tip 8. Ask questions and predict. Try to be an active reader. Stop sometimes and ask yourself, what will happen next? Why did this character do that? Why is this article important? When you guess what happens next, you become more engaged with the text. Tip 9. Read and listen at the same time. If possible, combine reading with listening. Use audiobooks and read along with the text. Use text-to-speech tools online. This helps you connect the sounds of words to their written form. It also improves your pronunciation and listening skills. Tip 10. Review and reflect. After reading, do not forget about it immediately. Think about what you learned. Was the text difficult or easy? Did you enjoy it? Why or why not? Reflection helps you understand your learning process and improve for the future. Final thoughts. With these 10 tips, you can slowly build confidence and skill. English reading will become easier and more enjoyable. Remember, you do not have to be perfect. It is normal to feel confused sometimes. The important thing is to keep going and never give up. Reading is a way to explore the world. You can travel to new places, meet interesting characters, and learn about different cultures, all through the pages of a book or the screen of your phone. A big world of information and stories is waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment about your reading experience. Which tip do you find most useful? Good luck on your journey to improving your English reading skills. You can do it, I believe in you. Happy reading, and see you next time. Smiling face with smiling eyes, open book.